So if you've ever had to animate something in Blender with a model that's really decked out, whether it be modifiers or the scene is really heavy, you know it can be a pain to play back in the viewport. Which is why I'm really excited to share with you all what is easily one of my favorite add-ons of all time, and that is Mustard's Simplify add-on. All you gotta do is go to the GitHub page that's linked down below and download the zip. Unless you're on Blender 4.3, in which case use the MediaFire link I provided. This is mainly because from version 4.2 to 4.3 of Blender, something changed in the code and it's kind of wonky and you need to manually change some things in the files for the add-on. I saved you all the hassle and just did the fix and packaged it together into a zip file. Shout out to Enflight Source Gaming, which I hope I pronounced right, on GitHub for providing the fix. Once you've installed the add-on like any other one, simply press N on your keyboard while in the viewport and you'll see a new Simplify menu. From here, all you gotta do is click Simplify Scene and you'll be good to go. You can manually tweak what you want simplified and what you want to keep in case there's modifiers that you want visible at all times. That's the cliff notes of this. You can of course read Mustard's explanation on GitHub, although it's pretty straightforward on how to use. This is easily a real time saver when animating and just working in general. It is easily one of my essential add-ons I need to have at all times, and I hope it all works for all of you. That's all for this video. Subscribe for more Blender content and other stuff. Leave a like if you hit the gritty, and I'll see you all in the next one.